Hi ho, Keegan the Vlog here. Welcome back to TR3 wrench time. Actually, yes, really TR3 wrench time. For real. I'm not kidding. I can't believe I'm saying that. We're gonna need a trailer. Like that tire looks all good. Okay. Go faces in and
I wanted a message from the beginning, the start. But radio static was about all that I got. The radio signal's never on time. The message you carry gonna make up my mind.
sometimes you have to move backwards to move forwards. So we're going to get another unrestored TR3 to hold us over until someday maybe the f***ers that have my car body actually do something with it.
Because you lost my car body cleaning van, and I don't like you, you sucker.
Why are you always getting on me, Max? Why are you always picking on me?
So day one of the trailer renovation, it's 95 degrees and 130% humidity outside, and we're fucking drenched. Day two, it was like 75 degrees, but pissing down rain.
Yeah.
We were drenched, right? I'm like, I don't know which day I was wetter.
Yeah.
It's a Jetta.
Oh, I saw the long tail with the
Yes, look at that. Oh, and it's badged Vento too. That's pretty badass.
We put some love into that.
Yeah. That's 95. Oh, we lost a grease cap.
Yeah, we got some extras though somewhere.
Not with us. That sucks. You can get axles from them on.
I know for a fact that a Volkswagen axle with a fully split CV boot will last at least 400 miles.
Now this has
Scientifically
to go,
proven.
Yeah, this has to go 2,400 miles, so we'll see.
So
There it is. There it is.
oh yeah, there it is.
Judy wanted it shed forever,
Yeah.
and so I built one.
Yeah.
And you go 12 by 12.
Oh, yeah,
That's
yeah.
the limit. And then I got the TR3.
So and it looks like just a little bit of metal work. I still have the floors.
Yeah, here's I actually
You got some
two
sheet?
pans.
Yeah,
And I
yeah.
had it, and I was going to do it like just a template,
Sure.
and then cut it and just pop rivet.
Yeah.
And
Why
then you
not?
put carpet on it,
Yeah.
and you're done.
Yeah, yeah.
So that was my plan. But you can buy the whole bottom thing for $495. So yeah, it just depends on whether you want it literally perfect original or drivable.
No, drivable.
That's what
His
my-
idea with this one is to get it drivable, and if the original body to the car ever finally manifests itself back into existence,
Yeah.
maybe get that one done like
Yeah.
perfect to a
Perfect,
T,
yeah,
and
yeah.
and put the car back together as original. But
Yep.
Let's see.
hold.
What do you think? I think we're good.
Hold on, pause there.
And they, the seat's full.
Kind of hurts.
No, just the passenger seat, or is it just the driver's seat? Just one of the two. One of them's rigid, and one of them.
And there's-
Judy, do you remember when this car arrived at the house?
Yes, it was scary. It was scary.
It's a knife and a bunch of wires. I'm like, why are you handing me the wire? It's just a tarp, man. You can't plug this thing in.
Phase 2 successful-ish. So we would make it to the end of this driveway without the car falling off.
Successful in my book.
So, you know, we have to make a stop when we see these things and scream like Miss Piggy going down the road.
This is like, Steve would be shitting himself right now.
Yes. Oh my God, I want this so bad.
This is amazing.
This is incredible. Look at the seat. Look at the seat.
As is no warranty.
No, I don't even know what to say about this. Check out the
like
seat.
a motorcycle stand in the back?
Check this got a
Is it?
seat. Come here.
Is it a motorcycle stand or is it like a for a stretcher?
Oh, I bet it. Yeah.
Beefy for stretch. Does it pull out? Oh, it's a ladder.
Oh, is
That's a f***ing ladder.
I wonder.
go up.
Yep, that's exactly what it is.
Oh, I've never wanted something so bad. I didn't even know I wanted it.
I didn't know this existed until just now.
And that's a.
Is it like an engine hoist? It's a hoist. Look, this arm flips out.
Look, that whole base flips up.
Oh yeah, and it's a hoist. Oh, we need that. It's like a mini version of the Unimog with a hoist on the back. It's the Japanese.
It's the
Unimog
Japanese Unimog.
with the hoist. Like
Has it got a lift gate on the back?
it's got a hoist, dude.
Check this out. Like this whole assembly flips up like that, and it's got a freaking arm that.
It's got a hydraulic hoist. Like imagine
You
how
get
many
the fire
engines-
truck. I get this, and we can do anything.
Yeah.
She good. 3 miles. It's not the best, but
So what's our round
give
trip?
yourself
then?
a wide swing.
Yeah.
Round trip was like 600 and change or something.
289 divided by 23 gets you 12.56 miles per gallon. You're good, buddy.
Oh yeah.
12.56 mpg. Is this pin out?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's coming out.
Is it?
Yep.
There it goes.
All right, folks, we got ourselves a body to work with. This project has taken a few tangents along the way. We're on another one now, and I think the mission here is by the spring of 2024, we're going to be driving this car down the road, taking it to Cars and Coffee for the first time. So, project back on, giddy up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. TR3 wrench time. TR3 wrench time.